third graders. Today we're going to be reading lesson 4 in our social studies textbook, An English Community. You are there. The bright sunshine feels warm on your face. You come here to the river as often as you can. You love to fish and swim. What's that floating up the river? You have never seen a boat that big before. The boat stops right in the middle of the river. The men and boys coming to the shore are not from here. Their skin is very pale. They are wearing strange clothes. You look at the tools they are taking off the boat. Do you think they can farm? Do they think they can farm in this swamp? You wonder? Are they just here for a visit? How long will they stay? The English in Virginia. Around May 13th, 1607, the first English settlers arrived in present-day Jamestown to seek their fortune. Long before the English came, however, the Native Americans there had planted crops and built villages. Captain Christopher Newport dropped off about 105 people from his ship. The settlers named their settlement Jamestown, and they called the river the James River after King James I. Soon the settlers were running out of food. John Smith, a leader in the settlement, led a search to find more food. The Native Americans in the area captured his group and brought him before their chief, Powhatan. The chief's daughter, Pocahontas, watched as Powhatan agreed to help the settlers. Smith returned to Jamestown. Only about 38 of the 105 people were still alive. The rest had died of hunger and disease. History of Jamestown. Jamestown was saved when about 400 new settlers arrived with more supplies. But then a fire roared through the settlement and destroyed almost everything. Later, John Smith was hurt in a gunpowder accident and had to return to England. From September 1609 until May 1610, the people of Jamestown lived through the starving time. Many people died of hunger. In May, another supply ship landed and saved the town. Only 60 people out of 400 had survived. Many of the men who went to Jamestown were English citizens. They had the same rights that they had when they lived in England. One of these rights was the right to have a voice in how they were governed. On July 30, 1619, the first representative assembly in the New World met in a Jamestown church. In a representative government, voters elect people to speak for them. The job of the assembly was to form a government that would work for all of Virginia. Jamestown today. Today, Jamestown is a National Historic Site. Every year, people from all over the world come to Jamestown to learn the history of this important settlement. People no longer live in historic Jamestown. Present-day Jamestown is located several miles from historic Jamestown. Let's summarize this lesson. Captain Christopher Newport and other settlers founded Jamestown. John Smith was a leader of the Jamestown settlement. Disease and hunger killed most of the people in Jamestown. The first representative assembly in the New World met in a Jamestown church.